So hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you a story for your listening practice. Yesterday I made a video where I promised you guys that I would definitely make 2 videos on a week. So yeah, let's get started. Let's jump into the story. Before I will start the video, if you have any questions or any doubt, just comment down below. I will definitely answer those questions you asked. So let's begin with the story. There was a village where a man, and beside that village, thus a saint also lived there, who solved every problem. Who comes with the problems to him, he solved them. So the man was suffering from a great problem, which was he just can't stop eating sugar. He couldn't stop it. So he went to the saint and told him all the problems. He listened all the problems, and saint told him to go back now. Come after 2 months. After 2 months, the man went back to the saint again, and the saint solved his problems. So why saint did not say when first time the man went there? Because when you are doing such a bad thing, you should not suggest someone when you are doing such a bad thing. When you should not suggest someone. It's not about the sugar, it's about everything. When you are smoking, do not say someone to stop smoking if you are smoking. So here's the moral of the story. I hope you like this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and share this channel. Till then, thank you.